Omuseneta bwe kaunti ya Kisii omuske Richard Onyonka litukulia lero nigabo lya serikali kobeka kwasigwasioria emirobeli yonsi yogendete kwanekibuna ekiombe kya maoga kema kitabuna Pyrethrum Processing Company of Kenya ngoni kwakere gosingosi gukere omuske Onyonka nigatabuna nigabanta bange baranyaka bakore mara kwetera sekitambo kerekyo nakubolia serikali ebeke emirobeli yonsi boronge muske Onyonka nigabo lya ega imeya senate isamugania kamati yoboremi enganeyo na koirania amachibu.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise pursuant to Standing Order number 53-1, Mr. Speaker, to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Livestock, Fisheries regarding the impending dissolution of the Pyrethrum Processing Company of Kenya, which is located in Nakuru. Mr. Speaker, the PPCK owns a significant portfolio of assets, including extensive tracts of prime land and valuable properties across various counties of this republic. Mr. Speaker, these assets represent public wealth accumulated over decades, and it is imperative to establish certain facts, including who currently holds the titles of these properties, the fate of these assets following the intended dissolution, and the impact of this dissolution and what impact this dissolution will have on stakeholders, especially Pyrethrum farmers and company employees who have actually been making a profit as they run this corporation. Mr. Speaker, the PPCK, which is the Pyrethrum Processing Company of Kenya, which is a government parastatal, does not have a board of directors as we speak. Mr. Speaker, in this regard, I therefore request the committee to explain the reasons behind the move to dissolve the company and the fate of the employees who have been working in that company, some of them close to 25 years. Number two, Mr. Speaker, I would want the committee to conduct a detailed review of all the properties owned by the Pyrethrum Processing Company of Kenya with a view to establish the status of these assets and to ensure that public resources are safeguarded. Number three, Mr. Speaker, I would like the committee to provide a report of the PPCK's financial status, operational challenges, including a full impact assessment with consideration of a potential to restructure this corporation instead of dissolving it, since it has been making a profit in its operations. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, I would like the committee to outline measures that the Ministry of Agriculture is taking to ensure that farmers, employees, and other affected parties are consulted to find an amicable way on how this matter could be sorted out. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.